Hi, in this lesson, we're gonna learn 3 different ways, 3 different expressions to express warning and reminding. The first one is 注意. 注意. I believe this is very common for you guys. Why? 注意. It's like pay attention, warning, pay attention, warning, and it's used very widely and prevalently. Let me give you some examples. 路上注意安全. 路上注意安全. Please be careful on the road. Please be careful when you're walking on the road. Please be careful when you're walking on the road. 有什么要特别注意的吗？有什么要特别注意的吗？ Is there anything special that I should notice or I should pay attention to? The second expression is 务必. 务必. This has a bit of strong tone. It contains a connotation that they're ordering and they're requesting something. And sometimes it means you have to do something, like your principal, your teachers, your professors said to you, this expression used by the person or people who has the higher social status than you. Let me give you some examples. 明天务必到场. 明天务必到场. You must come tomorrow. You must come tomorrow. See, that have a strong connotation like you must come. So 务必 translate into you must come. 请大家明天务必准时参加会议. 请大家明天务必准时参加会议. Please make sure or please be sure to attend the meeting tomorrow on time. Do you notice that? Translate to be sure or make sure. 这封邮件务必下午5点之前发出去. 这封邮件务必下午5点之前发出去. Please make sure to send this email before 5 p.m. this afternoon. Please make sure or please be sure to send this email before 5 p.m. this afternoon. The last expression is 千万别,千万不. 千万 is the adverb. It's like please don't do this. Please don't do that. It's like your mother or somebody who really cares for you. They keep repeating themselves because 千 is 1,000, 1 is 10,000, right? So they'll keep repeating, and it's like keep reminding you doing something. So it's have a bit of sense of care. Let me give you some examples. 坐飞机千万别忘带护照. 坐飞机千万别忘带护照. Please bring your passport, or please don't forget to bring your passport when you're taking a plane. Did you notice that? It's like 千万别. Please don't forget. It's like somebody who really cares for you, right? 千万别吃凉的食物. 千万别吃凉的食物，不然会感冒，不然会感冒。Please don't eat cold food, or you will get a cold. You will catch a cold. Please don't eat cold food, or you will catch a cold. We learned 3 different ways to express your warning and demand. The first one is very prevalent, very common, that is 注意, 注意. You can translate to pay attention, pay attention. The second have a bit of strong tone and is more like giving an order or requesting something, that is 务必, 务必. You can translate this one into you must, you have to, have a ordering connotation. The last one is 千万别, 千万不, 千万别, 千万不. It's like somebody repeating 1,000 times to remind you, to convey a connotation that he really or she really cares for you. If you like our program, please Google Lingo Yes and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.